Hello, introducing myself as Manish Ojha. I am the Vice President of Smartmeters Technologies Pvt. We are using Horizon ERP since 2022. Before implementing New Horizon ERP at Smartmeters, we were facing several operational challenges. Our processes were manual, leading to duplication of efforts, data inconsistencies, and delays in assessing critical information. Coordination between departments such as sales, stores, inventories, production, finance, BD was very time consuming and cumbersome and often resulted into miscommunications or inefficiencies. Tracking project progress, managing stocks levels, and generating reports required considerable manual efforts, which impacted our decision making and overall productivity. After implementing New Horizon ERP, we have seen a remarkable transformation in the way we operate. The system brought all departments into a single platform, enabling seamless data flow and real-time visibility across operations. Tasks that earlier took hours or days can now be completed in minutes with improved accuracies. Now, inventory is better managed, production planning is more efficient, and financial tracking is streamlined. Most importantly, we now have access to accurate real-time data that support faster and more informed decision making. This has led to customer satisfaction, better resource utilization, and a stronger foundation for the future growth. In addition to this, our now balance sheet is a one-page balance sheet where all the financial figures are on one page and on the real-time basis. So this is the good work done by New Horizon's SourcePro team, and I thank them a lot. Congratulations. Thank you.